What does pier failure look like? Hey, it's Craig with Thinker Foundation Repair. I'm in an old Jim Walters home in Hearne, Texas, and this is exactly what pier failure looks like. These are drilled or cylinder type piers that are, I don't know how deep, clearly not deep enough. As you can see how much these have leaned out of plumb. They are literally just falling over to the right hand side of the home in this direction. These piers are holding up a main sill, which is a doubled up 2x12, holding up the wall and the framing of the home. And you can tell how out of plumb that is as this pier rolled over the anchor points to this sill, which you can just barely see, just little pieces of rebar or a doweled rod in place, trying to keep this in place. Actually just shifted the whole beam support structure out of plumb. So this is what pier failure looks like. The fix for this is not shoving or pushing back over or pulling back over into a plumb position. That thing needs to be demoed out and needs to be totally replaced. And because this main sill is so warped, it will also have to be replaced in order to level and do this job the right way. So piers that aren't deep are prone to failure and tilting out of plumb.